Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rutuja and I'm working as a pediatric physical therapist with Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospitals. A year ago, when I had just passed with my master's curriculum, I was very unclear and the idea was very hazy in my mind about how to go ahead with my future, considering my degrees in physical therapy. Later on, I was just fortunate enough that I met Dr. Maithili, and at the correct time I met her because she helped me, she guided me, she counseled me through my sessions with her, which not only helped me fix my goal, but it also helped me to decide what were the necessary steps which I needed to take towards that goal and helped me achieve it. She did not, it was not only a professional side, but also she helped me deal with my emotional and my personal issues. I had mentioned to her about my emotional trauma that I was going through, and with a very unbiased and a very unjudgmental attitude, she helped me solve all my emotional problems as well. She helped me prioritize the things that I wanted in my life, my personal, my emotional, everything. She helped me prioritize those things in my life, and within 2 or 3 months, I immediately landed up with having this beautiful job that I'm having right now. And I would definitely give credit to her because she met me at the right time, and she was like the guiding angel that I needed that time. And yeah, so I would request everybody to take up such counseling or such guidance sessions with a therapist. They will really help you a lot, just like they did to me. Thank you so much.
Namaste. I am Dr. Sarika Katkuri, a physiotherapist practicing in Mumbai. So in lockdown, I came across Dr. Maithili's videos, which are regarding relationship coaching, and I found them very helpful. Though her videos were pretty short but quite informative. In each video, she gives you some tasks, and as you go through each video and complete those tasks, you get more and more clear as to what you are looking for. So at the end of this process, it gives you a clarity as to what you are looking for in your partner, what partner you should choose according to your habits, what habits you will accept of your partner, which you will not, and also some introspection. Of course, I do believe in being impulsive and taking decisions with your intuition, but many a times in life we may get stuck, and that's where a relationship coach comes in the picture. And according to me, Dr. Maithili is a great guide when it comes to finding a partner and having a great relationship with your partner. So I hope this is helpful to you all. All the best.
Hello everyone, this is Aarti. I was really disturbed and a bit confused. What are the qualities which I want to have in my life partner? What actually life partner I want to have? And what are the things which I really want to have? And I was unaware of those things. And I was very disturbed during the search of on matrimonial sites. One day I had a discussion with my friend Maithili Sawant. She is the relationship coach. She gave me an assignment. That 10 minutes assignment helped me to identify what are the qualities which I want to have from the life partner and what are the qualities I want him to accept in me. So before we proceed further, we need to consider these small things which really help us in future life to go it smoothly. Any one of you are going through this phase like looking for a life partner and get confused, don't know what are the qualities which you want to have in him and what are the things and so on. And also you are already into a relationship and facing some problems. So I would suggest you Maithili Sawant. She is the right coach for you. So her videos, her short videos are really helped us. Just 5 to 10 minutes assignments which we need to do in that, and it's really worth it. Thank you.
नमस्ते एवरीवन, मेरा नाम सायरा इनामदार है। मैं लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल कोच हूँ और मैं मुंबई में ही रहती हूँ। डॉक्टर मैथिली सावंत के बारे में मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ, जो एक रिलेशनशिप कोच है, एक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट है और मेरी बहुत ही अच्छी दोस्त है। हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे से अपनी लाइफ की जर्नी डिस्कस की, और जब मैंने उनकी लाइफ की जर्नी के बारे में सुना तो मैं बहुत ही इंस्पायर हुई हूँ। मैंने जब अभी उनके वीडियोस भी है रिलेशनशिप कोचिंग के बारे में, वो मैंने देखे और मुझे बहुत ही यूज़फुल लगे। और आई एम श्योर कि ये जो वीडियोस हैं उनके ये उन लोगों को बिल्कुल हेल्प करेंगे जो लाइफ पार्टनर सर्च कर रहे हैं या ऑलरेडी रिलेशनशिप में है और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स में स्टक है, या कुछ रिलेशनशिप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती है तो उसे सॉल्व कैसे करें या एक दूसरे को कैसे समझे ताकि एक दूसरे की बॉन्डिंग और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो और एक दूसरे को ग्रो कर सके एक साथ। तो ये कुछ टिप्स है जो वीडियो देख के और भी हेल्प करेंगे और उनकी कोचिंग से मुझे लगता है और भी उनको हेल्प मिल सकती है। तो मैं उनका नाम बिल्कुल रिकमेंड करना चाहूँगी कि आप उनको फॉलो करें, उनके वीडियोस देखें और कुछ अपनी रिलेशनशिप को और भी बेहतर बना सकें।